Hello everyone, it's almost midnight and I have really missed you guys. So I'm slowly getting back in the routine. Tomorrow I will be twinning and do a devotional. And it just dawned on me that we have had Tweety Bird on all day today, and I never even thought about it for having you on, birds. And it's not midnight yet, so it's still Thursday. Here's little Mr. Jonah, and he is sporting a little sleeper with Tweety Bird. So I just wanted to come on with Jonah. He's got such a cute face. And say I wanted to be a part of the theme today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Night.